Do you know how to use the second conditional in English? It's a great skill to know for your IELTS speaking test because using less common and complex structures is listed under Band 7 of the IELTS scoring rubric. This means that if you can use the second conditional naturally and correctly, it will improve your speaking score. Here's how you can use it. The grammar pattern I'm going to show you for the second conditional is when, a subject, and a past tense verb, a comma, another subject, object, pronoun, would and could, and a bare infinitive verb. If you studied lesson 4 with I would, you can see that I would bare infinitive verb is the same pattern. Before that clause, I'm putting when, subject, and a past tense verb. For example, when we went to the zoo, I would run to see the giraffe straight away because they were my favorites. When we were together and my parents were gone, my brother would play his rock music CDs and we would listen to them together. At university, when I had a lecture at 8:30 a.m., I would wake up at 6:30 to get the bus. I'm using the second conditional to introduce situations that were normal, common, or frequent in the past. I introduce the situation with when, subject, and the past verb. When I was at school, when I was at home, when we were together. After, I explain what we did in that situation. I would study hard, I would play with my friends, we would watch TV, for example. This makes it perfect for talking about memories in a complex way because you can give specific situations and talk about your past habits or common activities you did when you were younger. Here are some example Part 1 answers about your memories using the second conditional. Question 1. Do you have a favorite animal? Yes, I do. I absolutely love giraffes. When I was a kid, when we went to the zoo, I would run to see the giraffe straight away because they were my favorites. Do you feel more bored now than when you were younger? I don't think so, because nowadays I have a smartphone and so many other gadgets to keep me entertained. When I was growing up, when I had some downtime, I would only read books or watch TV because we didn't have a video game console or a computer either. So if you enjoy this approach to learning English and want to prepare for your IELTS test, you can get more examples of the second conditional as well as lots and lots of practice activities in my IELTS Speaking ebook, which is available now and the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.